Welcome back to another video, and today, well, coming from my screen, World of Warship Legends, not to confuse with World of Warship Blitz, World of Warships in general. This game is a good game, and an annoying game, sometimes. I mean, infuriating, but, Chris, go for your ship. See what Chris goes for.
Which ship?
Any. Just pick a ship. Tier 3, I'll go for... Mine might not make it.
Maybe, maybe not.
I don't know, we'll see. I was a party leader, so I just hit go bow. At the same time as Chris recording and I recording, we're also gonna have Chris has got to do his homework, so you might be a bit silent.
I wasn't doing that, I was just looking through a YouTube channel.
Oh. Chris, this time's on the inside of me, away from the enemy ships.
No.
Where are we going? A, B, or C?
No, no,
Did you not use the method I told you?
no.
Oh. Wow.
There we go. I'd say go A.
Battle starts.
And you can see, there's Freddy.
Also, go 3/4 speed and stay on the side you are of me, so that then I can protect you better.
There's Freddy.
Where's Chris? I would shoot over his bow, but I'm in a battleship and it takes too long to reload.
What's this? So you're saying you won't do this?
By the way, if you're wondering what this game is and everything, we're not going to say it unless one of Warship sponsors us. Hey, if they want to sponsor us, they want to sponsor us. Also, Chris won't be able to see it, but I'm already shooting at New Mexico. So my screen now you have longer range because I'm in a battleship, but I'm not going to speak too much because we did not get sponsored by World of Warship Legends, so we do not speak about it. But we are sponsored by
No one.
nothing.
Why am I on this? Ignore this right now.
Don't know what Chris is doing. I can't see.
Neither do I.
Don't know if you guys will be able to see my POV. I hope if I can, then you'll see multiple videos where it's me. Chris isn't even there. It's just I send Chris the videos. He edits because I can't do that. Nor can I even cut the video. I just say cut. Chris cuts it in an editing software because if I end it, then it ends and I have to, you know, it's really annoying to set up to when they go. So.
Oh, you're being shot.
I know, I'm shooting someone else.
Oh.
Currently, you might think it's a bit fast-paced, but God, my
Oh wait, I didn't even realize I got hit.
It's again later today, so my eyes are like, why the hell is this so
Oh,
Good game, everyone.
Yeah, it's currently dark outside at recording,
So you can't have to wait for your guns to aim and then has the white circle, and you can shoot.
You want to aim in front of the ship.
Yeah.
Unless you're
So like say that one right there.
There are things called secondaries which are AI controlled and are pretty bad at aiming.
I've just been hit.
Yeah. There's some abilities, you'll probably see what they do. I mean, you know what the med patches do. The for extinguisher, that's repair range, that repairs, and you've got a med kit for healing. The other ability, which I don't think Chris has a different one to me. My ability for my... So, if I speak, it's probably about my screen, probably. Say for Chris, it's about his screen. That's probably the biggest diff. Chris, you're really far ahead.
Okay, I'll...
You might want to turn around while you can.
No, I'm just shitting somebody.
Chris, we're gonna lose A. There's a battleship, 2 battleships,
Why did
and
I?
a cruiser, all smoking plus torpedoes about hit
Hull
me.
breach. We're
Dude.
taking
I
quickly.
might die.
Never mind. Just run. Run, Chris, run.
Problem solved.
I'm trying, but I'm on fire and I'm on a
Chris,
thousand
if you
health.
die,
The ship is on fire.
either cut out or watch my go off the line.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Chris, you could do that thing where you edit like parts of my clip, put it into your.
Done. Actually, I should probably do that as well, but yeah.
Chris was
No.
his video as well. So, so since my ship, when I died in battle, when I was transport, I can't use the ship until the battle's over. Now I'm gonna show you different ships. On Christopher's, we'll probably show cruiser, destroyer. Mine, I'll show carrier, battleship. This wasn't planned. None of this is planned. There's no scripts, and we're not joking. We're just going with it. We don't have scripts. We're not that advanced. All we're doing is just sitting and playing. You will see carrier's quite hard. Chris hasn't seen what a carrier looks like, nor a battleship. Actually, no, he's played a battleship in the event, which we'll show later. Maybe. I'm overestimating how much time we have.
He really is.
I have no clue how much I've got. Chris, hurry up.
What do you want me to be?
Something. If you want you can't be tier 1 because I'm tier 3. But if you want a tier 1 starter, I will be so bad.
I should do that.
Sorry if you hear me. I have a bit of cold, so this might sound a bit different. Also, we're using WhatsApp instead of Discord.
He'll survive.
Yeah, I got a bad cold, but I haven't done one in months, so why now? Kuzma has just got one Warship. Whilst he's still not very good and stuff, I'm not saying good, but I mean not very much ship. You can see it. My POV, you can see I have lots, and this is my second account. My first account, my dad used the Xbox for his stuff, so I've got my phone. Also, I can screen record on this because the Xbox is owned by my brother, so to screen record, it will just send it to my brother instead of me. So, and yeah, my Xbox has a geyser now, which sucks. And it isn't even geyser now. It's using Sean Horse's geyser now. Yes, I am a history nerd. And what? And if you've watched any of our videos, you probably have realised I'm a history nerd. Actually, you probably haven't, but no one cares about your opinion on it. I'm just kidding, we care about your opinion. But yeah. But if you saw what I did here, I'll just put on autopilot. Autopilot mode. Thing that only carriers can do. Chris, are you there? Or are you just doing it?
I'm here.
Might be doing his homework, not sure.
I don't even know.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Smoke generator started.
I'm not saying cuts, so my video probably will be not very much cuts as I speak a lot, so my videos aren't going to be cut unless I die and I say cut. For future Chris, wait Chris, when you're editing, can you hear me what I say with your frame by frame? That could be useful. Oh yeah, I've also got a kilometer tank, so I can only go so far in places where
Smoke
it's
screen
both
set.
stone. So I'm just gonna look for enemies because they're cloaked. I like how I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna say much, but hey, I have to explain some things. Right, my squadron's been detected. It should be somewhere around here. Okay, I see them.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
4 kilometers. 4 kilometers. Don't know if that's too early. Just perfect. I hope. He hopes. Okay, it's not actually. I needed like a bit longer. Hey, don't judge me. Like I said, I think I have more time than I actually do a lot of the time. I just got 2 Citadel hits. Citadel hits are pretty much critical hits. With bombs. Sort that. That's done some damage. But if you
Don't
use
mind
all
me
the
just launch some torpedoes.
I got a bit far. I'm in the thick of the action.
The ship is on
Let me
fire.
just go back and forth it.
Problem solved, sir.
Will my torpedoes hit?
We'll go for the other one. Or might be that next match. I don't know. These are die.
Oh.
But this is World War II.
I'm immobilized. This is bad. I'm actually immobilized.
Looks like you're non-stop being fired by a bulldog.
I am.
It feels like a machine gun just went off. Gonna hit nothing.
Then now we're going to spectate Freddy. But his ship at least. You just cut somebody off. Think we cut someone off. No.
Right, my last 2 planes to use over, I've only got a kilometer tanker, not even that, so if I use this, it means I'm gonna dive, and I get a few extra seconds in the peak, even though that makes no sense, so I'm just gonna go back, because, yeah. Come on, I'm gonna go torpedo bomber.
Where's Freddy going?
Well, Chris, like I said, I use planes. You can watch my planes by hearing a bird. Okay, incoming enemies. Wait, what? Why don't I have autopilot on? Well, I do now.
And you've just been hit.
Yeah, no, I'm sitting duck. Stay go. Yes, I know it's old. But hey. Hey ho, who cares? At the end of the day, it's fine. Yes, torpedo hit. I was just watching the torpedo hit go so you guys could see it and not see the boring part of me just flying away and watching it hit. I want you guys to actually feel like you're part of the video, even though you're... Well, I guess you're watching it, so it's kind of the reason why we do videos. You guys don't watch them. It's a bit early. I'm gonna take off autopilot because I know I'm dead, so I might as well get my guns in. Yes, I have 2 guns, which are classes secondaries. We're going full charge.
All stations, concentrate fire on the target.
I don't want to keep doing that. Cut. Editor Chris, cut. So you should be able to hear what I say, right? When you're editing.
Sadly.
No. You can hear me go cut. Come on.
Team is taking the lead.
Oh, that cut until you know. Or you'll be hearing the conversation anyway. But I have no clue how long I have no indication of this time. Please? 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 He's so close. No! Alright, I'm returning to lobby.
Don't mind me just casually spawning on a Discord server right now.
Okay, so have you uncut your video?
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, I have like I think I have 6 million doubloons. Rather than money to purchase ships after you use XP. Only I'm using Germans, so I don't get Germans. The Baron is kind of far off. What does this ship? I wanted. Yes, you. The ship I want. My
What
favourite
ship should I be?
I don't know. Am I go as a cruiser, or am I gonna let you? I'm gonna let your view probably see that POV. What's your time at this? Because mine's probably like a minute or two ahead.
15 minutes.
I'll check. No.
Freddy just dumb.
Okay. Either way, 15 minutes. Mine's about 16, 17, 18-ish minutes. So, one more match because that could be up
Yeah.
to 15 minutes. Last match. This, I'll go back to a. I'm just kidding. I'll go as a cruiser. Wait, not this cruiser. That cruiser sucks. This one. As long as Chris is not tier 2, I'll be. Are you a tier 2?
Yeah.
Can you please be tier 3? Thank you. Right, cut. Editor Chris, cut.
Okay.
Until I load, which will only be a few seconds, but a few seconds less. I'm just gonna leave it until I get into a match starts. I don't know if your video's cut or not. It's up to you. So that's why I'm not gonna say anything that we behind the scenes we are nothing like this. Like most YouTubers, on camera are completely different. You wonder if I just recorded behind the scenes when I have my own channel. Right, uncut. I think it's been like a minute. It's just like a minute. So, I feel like Chris is gonna have it. Chris, you know we started, right?
Yeah.
I feel like Chris is gonna be really annoyed at editing my clip. If you guys think we should do more World of Warships videos, then
Don't comment.
leave a like. No, let's set a goal. 12 likes, and we'll do another one. Why 12? I'll set it at 5 likes because we don't have that many.
Declined.
5 likes, and we'll do another one.
10.
10, fine. 10 likes, and we'll do another video. And please subscribe if you like our content. Comment any ideas if you want other games or ideas we could do in this. You know, funny ideas like going tier 1s and seeing how bad you can be long.
Yeah, what's this person doing?
Saving you from torpedoes.
What?
He saved you from 2 torpedoes.
Oh well, he still annoyed me.
And I'm away, buddy. Oh no. I think you guys will figure out, like.
Enemy force detected.
That's the wrong. Where are you going, Chris?
I don't know.
You need to speak when you turn.
Enemy battleship detected.
No.
Because else you're gonna miss this turn. So barely made.
Can I hit that person? No. Can I hit that person?
Hit the Dane. Kill the Dane. Sorry if you guys are Danish. Kill this guy is a Dane in the game, so you gotta die, buddy. Sorry, you just gotta die.
Yes!
But you guys would think I haven't played this game for very long because of my accuracy. Don't ask how long. It's a bit embarrassing.
He wanted me to get the game.
I have played this for 10 years, and Chris has played this for probably about a few hours.
Yeah. How am I already dead?
And yes, I have played this for 7 years. Did you die? Yep.
Don't ask me how.
Bet it's by plane. I don't know what I died to. Something killed me in like 2 seconds.
Oh, so we both dead.
Well, I'm returning.
Yeah, same.
Think we can say another?
I don't know.
It's up to you. No, I'm done.
Okay.
Recording has stopped.
Goodbye, guys.
Well, no, my video's already ended.
Oh, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment down below what you would like to see. Let's do it again.
How do I end my video? My video never ended.
What do you mean? Oh, goodbye, guys.